How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can resize, scale an STL 3D model in Creality Slicer. So basically, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just add your model onto your plate right here. Now, of course, all of these steps are going to be the same thing if you're using something like an STL file. So let's go ahead and simply select this one. You want to first select your model, and from here you then want to look for this specific option, which is the scale function. To make things easier, you can also press S on your keyboard, and then you have the ability to edit out the X, Y, and Z of our object right here. If you want to turn off the uniform scale, uncheck this box and you should be good to go. You can manually input values on the millimeter side, or you can just use the controls right here to drag and drop your shape or STL file the way you want to. So let's try it for this one. Press S, and then basically let's turn off our uniform scale, and then let's make this onto the 50 millimeters. For this one, let's also use 50 mm, and lastly, let's do the same thing for this one. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.